A fun event is taking place tomorrow at the Promenade at Chenal in Little Rock. Baptist Health is hosting the Be Healthy Farmers Market. Michael Robichaud here to tell us all about it this morning. And this is something that you all do all the time, but it's special to be at the Promenade.
Absolutely. So we host a farmers market every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday at various Baptist Health locations. And this Friday, we're bringing it out to the Promenade at Chenal.
Wonderful. Now, you guys did this last year, too. Is it a big success?
It is a big success.
Yeah.
The farmers love it. The people love it. It's a win-win for everybody.
Okay, so if you want some fresh fruit, fresh produce, what can you get here at the farmers market?
Oh, we've got great peaches, jalapenos, mint, cucumbers, tomatoes, watermelon. We have Faulkner Lake Orchards, Barnhill Orchards, Sardis Gardens, great farmers coming out.
Wow, so these are farmers
huge.
from all over pretty much the
Central
state.
Arkansas,
Yeah.
yes ma'am, and they're all local. We make sure 100% Arkansas farms.
Oh, wonderful. Where do you get your watermelons from?
This one came from Hardin Farms, so
Nice.
here locally again.
This seems like that time of year, 4th of July, summer.
That's right,
You know,
that's right.
you're ready for some watermelon. What did you bring today, too? Because this is a great little
So
snack.
today we got a watermelon cucumber salad, and then we have a peach salsa, and again, 100% of the ingredients local farmers
That's
that
so
purchase
great.
at the farmers markets at Baptist Health, and
What's the difference
everything.
between, some people say, I'll just go to the grocery store. What's the difference between buying local at a market like this?
well, it's fresh. It's supporting our local farmers and our community, and it's just a win-win. Instead of supporting outside markets and things like that, we keep it all here.
And it's nice to meet the growers, too. That's pretty
Yes,
unique.
and we have some amazing farmers, and to get to know them, and they would love for you to go out to their orchards and
Yeah.
tour, and it's a great experience.
So again, when is this happening, and how can people find out more about
So
it?
Fridays, 10 to 2 at the Promenade in Chenal, and then again, if you can't make it out Friday, we'd invite you out to any of our Baptist locations, Tuesday in Little Rock, Wednesday in Conway, and Thursday in North Little Rock. We
right.
host them all summer.
So always a chance to get some. I'm going to try some of this in just a minute. It looks
Sure
great.
do.
Thank you so much, Mike. We appreciate
Thank you for having me here.